everybody, and welcome to Friday, October 8th. That is right over here. For this week, chicos, we are doing a bit of a college reflection. I'm having you guys do some college pennants and a final college activity, okay? Your homework is going to be work on these college pennants. So for today, chicos, let's get into it. Our college reflection. I actually had you guys name college that you are interested in. We had a group discussion. That was our do now, that group-based discussion. I had you write on an index card, just label the college that you want to go to. Then I had you guys, your college activity for today is to really work on this reflection and reflect on your own desires for college and what you're looking for. You guys completed the scavenger hunt today in class. You didn't work on it on Wednesday because it was, to be honest with you guys, it was way too short. So we did not work on it that day, but you did go ahead and complete it. I had you guys draw in your pennants, and that was their work for today, okay? Your pennants are going to be due on Tuesday. I think it said Monday, but it's going to be due Tuesday, chicos. All right, our exit ticket is just in general, what questions do you still have about college? All right, that's going to wrap up our week of October 5th to October 8th. As always, you guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me before or after school, and I'll answer your questions. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class.